It's time for some fun. Add fun to learn, we're all as one. Loving teacher, smiles shining bright. Happy students, everything feels right. Add fun to learn, oh, it's fun to learn. After every lesson, we want to return. Join the adventure, let's learn and play. Add fun to learn, hip hip hooray. Every moment's filled with cheer. Learning English, we've got no fear. With our teachers, our minds will grow. Together.
Hi kids, welcome to our home, where we learn, laugh, and always make room for you. Hello friends, I'm Baby V. Today is Chinese New Year, or Lunar New Year. Today we'll learn 9 English words. Look, my smart board shows pictures. Ready? Let's learn. Say hello, Baby V. Ready? Go. Great job. Now repeat after me, loud and proud. These are red packets. Red packets. Your turn, red packets. Great! They are red. Red packets. This is turnip cake. Turnip cake. Say turnip cake. Yum yum. These are firecrackers. Firecrackers. Say firecrackers. Listen. Boom! Firecrackers. This is a lion dance. Lion dance. Say lion dance. Lion dance. This is a dragon dance. Dragon dance. Let's say dragon dance. Dragon dance. This is a family. This is fun to learn family. Family. Let's say family. Family is people we love. Do you love your family? This is a lantern. Lantern. Let's say lantern. Lantern up. Do you have a lantern? Hi everybody. Everybody, let's say good luck. Let's say it again. Good luck. Great. Good luck is a New Year greeting. It means good things can happen. Now let's say the word luck. Luck. Good luck in the new year. Your turn. Good luck in the new year. This is a drum. Drum. Let's say drum. Boom, boom. Wow, you learned our Chinese New Year words. Now, let's do something a little more tricky. Let's build short sentences. Repeat after me. And remember, practice makes perfect. We are all work in progress. Ready? I see red packets. Let's say I see red packets. Do you like red packets? I like red packets. Let's say I like red packets. This is turnip cake. Let's say this is turnip cake. Do you like turnip cake?
Yes, I do.
Aisha says, yes, I do. Now you try. Yes, I do. Great! I like turnip cake. Yum! Listen. Boom! Boom! I hear firecrackers. Let's say I hear firecrackers. Do you hear firecrackers? I hear firecrackers. This is a lion dance. Let's say this is a lion dance. Do you like the lion dance? I like the lion dance. This is a dragon dance. Say it with me. This is a family. Let's say this is a family. I love my family. Let's say I love my family. Family, together or alone? Together. I see a lantern. Let's say I see a lantern. Where is the lantern? Up or down? Up. I hear a drum. Let's say I hear a drum. Let's tap the drum. Tap, tap, tap. Your turn. Today we say good luck. Let's say good luck. I can say to you, good luck. Good luck. Now you say, good luck, baby V. Yay! And we can say, good luck in the new year. Let's say, good luck in the new year. I wish you all good luck. Let's say, I wish you good luck. Game time. Listen and do. Lantern, point up. Drum, tap, tap. Luck, thumbs up. Lion dance, paws up. Dragon dance, dragon arms. Ready? Lantern, drum, luck, lion dance, dragon dance. Drum, lantern, luck. Wow, great listening! You did it! You learned Chinese New Year words with Baby V and Aisha. Happy Chinese New Year! Bye-bye! If this video helped you learn, please like and follow for more learning videos. If you just had fun watching, that's okay too. Thank you for being here.